What's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Lisa, aka Styling Nature. I'm back with another video. Now, I just did this quick little style just for a photo shoot, just for a little video that I was doing. So it didn't have to be perfect to me. I just wanted to look cute and have that like vacation vibe or beach vibe. That's what I was going for. I used 2 packs of the wavy bundle hair, and I really should have got 3 packs. I needed like 2 or 3 more like tracks. That's all I needed. Or you can use any type of wavy hair, curly hair. You can get crochet hair. If you have version bundles, that'd be perfect because it'll last longer. This hairstyle does not last that long because of the synthetic hair is long and it gets all tangled up and it's a mess in a week or shorter than that if you don't tie it up at night. But yes, you need all these products that I have on this little clip. Let's get into this video. First thing first, I need to part my hair from ear to ear. So I'm going to do that real quick. I already tried to a little bit, but my hair is so thick that it gives me a hard time every time I try to do it. And it hurts. And it's not the straightest that it can be. The biggest issue is I can't see the back of my head, so I have to part my hair from ear to ear, and it gives me a hard time because I can't see in the back. Okay, so I'm gonna put y'all in the back of me because I can't no point in me looking at the back because I can't see nothing. Nothing at all. So the parts are not gonna be the best and the braids are not gonna be the best because I'm covering up with hair.
I'd like to let you know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be done with what you're going through. I wanna be done. I wanna be done with you. Tell me
To connect your braid, you pull it up, you grab it with the hair, and you basically braid over it with it in the inside of the braid. So you don't have all your extra braids, you don't have to, you know, connect them together and sew them together. They are already together. So when you're done, you should just have one braid. And once again, remember, I can't see nothing. This is all muscle memory. I mean, I can see a little bit in the camera and I can see a little bit in the mirror, but for the most part, I cannot see what I'm doing in the back of my head. Well, wish me luck, y'all. Wish me luck.
Oh, hell
I tuck this braid in and weave it in between these braids, and then I'm about to sew it together so it doesn't fall down. Okay, so I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner on my hair and some oil because I'm gonna leave this in here for probably about a week because I know that hair is gonna tangle up like something horrible. I know. If it don't, it will surprise the hell out of me. I'm just gonna oil my scalp. The hair is called Bokeh Bundle Pineapple Curl. It was only $6.99. That's how I know it's probably going to tangle up like something horrible, but it feels really nice right now. I'm going to put some mousse on it, but it is very pretty and it's shedding. I haven't did a sew in on my hair in years, so I hope this come out good because I don't remember everything, and I know I forgot to do an anchor braid So hopefully it come out right. I think I'm gonna double these wefts because it's not that much hair on this. Okay, so this is my first pack. And it is pretty thin. This time I'm gonna space this one out a little more because I only got 2 packs. Hopefully it works out.
What I'm missing was your brown sugar, babe. I guess I'm high off your love, I don't know how to feel your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar.
Okay, so I got done. And I wish I could have covered up the track a little more, but I ran out of hair. So it's all good. You're really not gonna see the back anyways. And I'm just doing it as a quick little style. So it's all good. Now it's time to braid.
Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous wild, but I think I'm here to solo, who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I think I'm here. Brown sugar, babe, I get high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar, babe, I want some of your brown sugar. Show me your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar.
Last braid. My arms are on fire. I'm gonna go find some beads. I have some wooden beads, but I gotta find them. Okay, so I was just doing a quick little style. I was taking this down in a couple of days. I really didn't care what it looked like in the back, but if you do care, what I would suggest is either you take some of your own hair out and cover up your tracks, or you can maybe do box braids for like a little small portion in the back, or you can take a track and flip it over and sew it down. That way, you know, you don't see your tracks. Or you can just put a half wig on and that'd be even quicker.